I'm fucking lit. We about to unbox this sneaker We about to unbox this box right here.
It's right quick. Let's get to this right quick. Baby, when we're grinding, I get so excited. Baby, when we're grinding, I get so excited. Ooh, how I like it. Ooh, how I like it. Ooh, how.
What is good, guys? You already know it's your girl King coming at you with another freaking video. So we're back on Blunts and Soul. I already smoked some of that good sheen. We about to unbox this video. I'm fucking lit. We about to unbox this sneaker box. We about to unbox this box right here. I got a Tootsie Roll in my mouth. We about to unbox the freaking Jordan 2018. When do I say it? We about to unbox the Concord 11'S 2018. Why am I holding the box? So I ordered these about when they first came out, and I'm just now getting them today when I came home at 2:57 in the morning. I'm not like a super head. Like, I didn't get down into details on how this channel even gonna go. But matter of fact, let me backtrack just a little bit before I even get deep down into this video. If you are new here, make sure you guys have on your post notifications and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. All of my social medias will be in the link description box below. If you want to see me continue to do more sneaker unboxings, reviews, collections, all that good jizz, all you gotta do is subscribe, comment down in the comment section below, and let me know what you want to see me do on the sneaker channel. I also have a vlogging channel / reaction channel that's also in the link description box below that you can guys go check out. I'm whispering because I told you it's 3 o'clock in the morning. So we're about to get into this on-feet review of the Air Jordan Retro Concord. You already know it's StockX approved. I got these from StockX because every single place that I went to, bro, every single place online when I was trying to order these shoes, bro, it was glitching. StockX approved. Oh my God. Got the little tag. Oh my God. Yeah, bro. This is it. This is it. Official combine. Got the Concord 11 Retro 2018. StockX verified approved. You feel me? Now, a lot of people saying to me, "Oh, King, how you know they're official?" Listen, usually you ain't got no flappy ass tongue. Tongue's tight. Now, I'm like honestly very tired. I paid about like $263 and some change, only because, you know, the whole shipping fee, the whole everything else fees. I'm adding this to my collection. I don't even know what my collection's at right now, but these oh my God, these dropped back in 2011, and I wasn't able to get those, you know what I'm saying? So this is just like, this is everything to me, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? Like the Space Jams, I kind of fucks with the Space Jams a little bit more than the Concords, but honestly, the Concords do me justice. It's the same classic shoe. You just can't go wrong with these joints, bro. You really cannot go wrong with these shoes at all. I waited maybe a couple of weeks for these joints. We definitely gotta try these on and see if they fit. I was 8.5 on the inside. Got the Nike Air on the inside. Cushion. You also got the 45. I mean, it's not the original 23, but I guess it's gonna have to do, you know what I'm saying? I'm loving the original classic gum bottoms, the purple, you know what I'm saying, the Concord purple. Also right here, they kept it nice and simple by leaving this right here. Perfect fit, bro. This is a shoe you're gonna have to break it, and that's a big fact. I said before, StockX verified. StockX tag right here. I almost messed up and ordered a 9, then I would have been pissed. I'm telling you, the 8.5 is gonna do me so much justice. I can see this. Ooh-wee. Don't mind the socks, you know what I'm saying? But it says, sorry, I'm busy. Because I'm busy. These are a perfect fit. When I tell you these are a perfect fit, I don't think you guys even understand shoes. Now, like I told you guys before, Jordan, I used to be a super Jordan head. I used to wear Jordan shoes all the time. But after a while, I got tired of wearing Jordan and I wanted to branch out to something else. But now that I'm getting my sneaker collection back up, I might as well get back on the Jordan wave. Why not hop back on the Jordan wave? I'm into Nikes. I copped a few Yeezys. You know, I'm branching out. I think I'm going to give me a couple of Ultra Boosts. I have a whole lot of sneakers that I want to add to my collections. Hopefully I can get my hands on them. And we're just going to go from there. But no, these is it. These is it. I really might have to break these out this weekend, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys are following me on my vlog channel to see if I break these bad boys out. You feel me? To see what I got for the drip. I might have to get me something nice for this. Oh my God, I'm so glad I got the right size, because you guys don't even understand. I was confused on if I was going to get the right size or not. I was very, very skeptical, like, yo, did I get the right size? Because with Jordan, it's mad iffy. It's like sometimes it's a hit or miss, because some of my shoes are 8 and then some of my shoes are 8.5 in mint. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of weird that I also have a 9 in some shoes. And my Yeezys, my 350s, think they are 9.5, to be honest. So it's very, 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 very weird. So I don't know, guys. What you think? Were these a cop or not cop? I know it took me a long time for me to get this video out. I appreciate you guys for even waiting this long. Like I said, if you want to see more on my vlogging channel, reaction channel, make sure you guys go over there, subscribe to that channel also. If you haven't copped these, I think these are something that you guys need to go ahead and cop. It's something that you guys need to go ahead and be a part of. You know what I'm saying? It's a classic Jordan. I think they made a lot of these. I don't even want to give you out a wrong number, but I know that you should be able to get your hands on some for retail price. Retail price is like $220. If you can, I know you can get them on StockX, the Go app, Flight Club, one of those sneaker apps. You could probably find these, but StockX held it down, y'all. StockX definitely held it down. I'm gonna give y'all on foot. Give y'all a little feel of the sneaker, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna come back in maybe like 2 weeks and give you guys an on foot review on the shoe and whatnot. If comment down below if you want me to do an on foot review of the Yeezys. I was supposed to do an on foot before I did this video, but I'm just starting the channel, so I know it's gonna be kind of hard to do that. So I'm gonna do it anyway. Like, I'm just talking just to hear myself talk. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. One time for the one time. If you are new here, it's your girl King coming back at you with freaking new sneaker reviews. It's called Blunts and Souls. You feel me? Like, get high and do a couple of sneaker reviews. Now, I have some drip that I'm gonna be wearing with these shoes, and I can't wait. But I'm talking too much. Let me. Alright guys, so I'm kind of done with this review. I'm feeling them 10 for 10. Blunts and Soul. You know what I'm saying? Can't even give this definitely a 10 for 10. Because it's a classic. You can't go wrong with this, man. I got the feet a little bit dirty at the bottom, but it's alright. You know what I'm saying? If you was feeling this video, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Turn on your post notifications one time for the one time. It's your girl King coming back at you with another one. You know what I'm saying? Blunts and Souls, we out of here. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social media. Make sure you guys comment down in the comment section below what you want to see me do next. And please, can you guys get this video to 50 likes for me? I love you guys. I'm out of here.
Like you, because I'm hot now. Let's go.